I'm also very happy this morning. I'm not just a member of the All Progressive Congress. I am the number one. I have collected, listen, wait now, wait. I have collected my card, and the form is 0001. This moment is not an issue of it be like say, it no be. I am there with all my chest and heart. And what is the message? What is the message? The message is clear. We are going to do everything to make sure that 2027 election for Mr. President will be a smooth drive in Rivers State. How do we do it? It is with all of you here. It is your support. The only way we can continue to tell Mr. President thank you is to support him. So take note, as you're living here, we have started our work. We are not going to relent. We will join force with every other agency, every other group that are in support of the cause of Mr. President. Let me thank you again. Let me thank the community, my adopted community. You people adopted me now. Everywhere I go, you people adopt me. Everywhere you go. That's how I went to Ohasanyeta Awusi's place. One other woman said, Nambi Bonam. So here now, you people have taken me. My people there for trouble. So let me thank all of you again. Assure you that no matter what it is, we will continue to do what will uplift the face of Rivers State. We will not join in anything that will bring negative news to Rivers State. That is also the message to all of you that are my supporters. Continue with those things that will bring pride and honor to our state. Let me therefore call the Honorable Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development to come and talk to his people. He's our brother. We must support him.